Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to talk about the power button not working and how to fix in Samsung Galaxy F17 5G smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So if it is not working, so you can just go to the settings first and click on this search, and you can write here accessibility menu, or you can write here this assistant. So friends, you have to click on that menu and enable it from here. Now it will allow say you that you want to allow it or deny it. Click on allow. So you can see the shortcut is now enabled successfully. Now you have to tap on this shortcut, click on power on menu. So you have to long press this power off button and click on this safe mode, and then you have to just wait until it's open. So just wait for a moment. Friends, you can see it is now open, and then you have to turn off this safe mode. So you have to just again click on this shortcut menu, and here it is power off menu. Tap on this, so it will show you the menu here, and long press the power button. You can just click on this restart, and it is now restarting. Just wait for a moment until it's open. So friends, as you can see, it is now open. Then you have to go to the settings. The phone is starting right now. You have to click on it, and then you have to search here applications, and then you have to click on this search option and right here Google Play Services. So it will show you. So friends, here it is. Just tap on this Google Play Services and click on storage and click on clear cache. And if still your power button is not fixing, so there is a internal problem in the power button. Sometimes it is broken or someone, so you can just go to your nearby service center to fix this power button. They will replace it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.